that's what Abby was looking for.
Okay, so we have a project that we're about to do. So we have this flooring that we bought. I think we got it at Lowe's. We couldn't remember if we got it at Lowe's or Home Depot. But anyways, it's just like vinyl flooring pieces.
Peel and stick.
It's peel and stick. So we had used this on a wall in our kitchen at our bar actually. Put it on the wall so it made it look like wood on the wall. It turned out really good. So I had some left over, and because we just had an issue with our bathroom tub.
The pipes in this subdivision are dirty.
They got clogged up.
So it got clogged up, so I had to take it apart, take the whole valve stem thing out, and clean it out with all the gunk.
And so we're going to use the rest of that flooring and put it on this wall, make an accent wall. And we're going to film it and show y'all step by step what we're going to do. So first thing, so I'll go ahead and say it since I already did it, is they already took this plate off of the wall. He fixed the thing, so I told him we'd go ahead and do the wall because I've been wanting to do it. So took this off.
And that's just one screw that goes in here that you just undo. And it slides right off of that. And then that plate's behind it, and you just peel the plate off the wall.
So next step is I'm just going to take all the stuff off the wall. And we'll go from there.
To get the hammer and stuff, just take these nails out. We'll check back in a minute.
Okay, so here's our materials that we need to do this wall. The flooring, like I said, we got at Lowe's. I think it was like $30 or $40 a box. I can't remember how much square foot the box was because we didn't get it to do flooring, so we didn't really pay attention. But I think each piece was like $1 or something like that. I don't know. But you can go to Lowe's or Home Depot and get any color that you like. We needed Gorilla Glue. That's what we used to.
Peel and stick is not real peel and stick.
Yeah.
I mean, it is, but it's not. It doesn't hold like you think it would.
So we use Gorilla Glue on the back to reinforce it. And then a box cutter to cut the wood. It's easier than scissors.
Well,
and a screwdriver for other things. Yeah.
Not wood, but it cuts it easy.
Yep. All right, and then you also are gonna need to decide on which way you want it to go. If you want your wood to go this way or this way. And I think we're gonna do up and down. I think we're gonna do up and down because it'll be easier on these small pieces. Put it there instead of doing it this way and having to cut a million little pieces to go this way here. Does that make sense? I think it'll be better to go this way. So we're gonna get started.
Peel the peel and stick off.
And you don't need much of
Gorilla Glue.
the Gorilla Glue.
And don't put it near the edges because it will.
The Gorilla Glue expands as it dries. We found that out. And another thing we found out when we put it on in the kitchen was some of them may come undone and you have to go back and...
Well, that was before we put the Gorilla. That's how we figured out to use the glue to reinforce it. If you just use the peel and stick, they're gonna, because of gravity obviously, it's not going on the floor.
Right.
So it's gonna, you know, some of them.
But see how that pops out?
Some of them may fall.
We had to go back and we'll put more. Once it all dries, you can go back and lift up and put more glue in. But you also find out how square your walls are.
Yep.
And you just gotta kind of push, make sure you get. That's what's on it. And that's the first one.
Yep. All right. You want to put it like that instead of just putting it right on top?
Well, it's too long.
No, I mean just go ahead and do the bottom first.
Like this?
Yeah. You can put it up against that one. Did you ever put glue on that?
Yeah. It's just how it's sitting.
Yeah. It's fine. We'll fix it at the top. Stick one up there and see how wide it is.
I guess we need to do that one in case it needs to be moved. It won't dry.
Alright, so let's see. Put it on. Whoop, sorry.
So we need to cut it like right there.
Right there. Alright. It doesn't matter how, I mean, all that's behind here though.
Yeah.
Is it behind here?
Yeah, this one is. So if you cut it right there, and I can put that at the bottom. Right at that line, see it?
Mm-hmm. I'm just trying to mark it so I won't forget where it's at.
And then get our straight line. We need another one that'll hold it as a straight line.
Need a ruler. You got a ruler?
Yeah, I remember last time we had to use one of these.
Yeah.
That makes our floor pretty good on it.
Mm-hmm. I'm gonna cut it down up.
Put it down here. Improvise. You don't have a ruler.
When you don't have all the exact tools you need.
But this is an easy way, I think, to make, you know, something look.
Halfway decent.
Yeah, I mean, it looks to me, when we get done, we'll show you the finished product, and it looks like you've done a real wood accent wall.
So you don't have to cut all the way through because like I said, it's vinyl, not wood. So you just make your mark, fold it, there it is. And this is gonna go on the bottom down here. You'll give me the glue. And it don't gotta be like super perfect because it's gonna be hidden behind that plate right there. Put it in here like this.
Oh, almost. Oh, it's perfect. Or did I do it too tight? Is it too tight? Or is
No,
it
it's
perfect? Okay, cool.
I just had to put it in there, in between there. So then this plate is gonna sit on top of all of it like this.
So the only other most difficult one is going to be,
Right here.
yeah, right there. But really, it's not going to be that difficult because most of it's going to be covered up.
So we'll just put one up here,
Mm-hmm.
the one we just cut, and figure out where we need to cut around this thing. Oh, so I'm gonna have to use a piece to fill that in or something. Well, you already measured this right.
You just got to cut that one little piece out. You just don't have to cut like a small square out of that side. Like take the plate off. See, all you're going to have to do is just cut so it'll make it even. Just cut a little square out of that left-hand side so it'll fit down in there. Like right here. It'll fit right over this. See what I'm saying?
Oh, instead of cutting around it, just put the whole thing behind it.
Yeah.
I got you. Okay.
But just cut, you know, enough to where it'll slide down and be even, is what I'm saying.
Got to knock this one over.
So basically you should only have to do,
Right here.
yeah, and just up a little ways. You don't have to go all the way up.
Yeah. Let's see how that does.
Perfect. Look at that. How easy was that? That's perfect. Because that's not going to interfere with
Nope.
anything turning or anything.
All right. Here you go.
let him do all the cutting. Probably best.
It doesn't make sense when people do these things and then don't go behind their the fixtures or whatever, and then it just looks stupid. There we go. You put glue on that one already?
Mm-hmm.
Let me throw that plate up there, and you'll see how it'll look. The hot water thing facing. That center, that silver collar does have to screw onto that black thing right there.
What, this?
That silver collar.
This?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, still.
All right, so we're gonna keep doing this and we'll check back in a little bit.
All right, so we're done. That is an easy way to do a wall or in your house.
It's a little
Yeah, it's a little complicated, but it's okay.
Way harder than we thought it was gonna be. It wasn't as easy as the other wall we did. So we're gonna have to,
I guess like
when it dries good, get up there and shave those tops off even with the top.
But like you said, it would have been easier, probably better if we had done it long ways, vertical instead of
Horizontal instead of vertical.
yeah, horizontal.
And see, like, issue with the glue. So we're having to put tape on here to hold it
Till it dries.
till it catches good. Then we'll take that off. But
that's it.
oh no,
It looks totally different.
makes the bathroom look pretty cool. So
Yeah, I like it.
you walk in, kind of matches the floor. So
I like it.
his and her sinks over here. Oh, my fat belly.
I'm sure you'll edit that out.
No. Then accent wall, like, kind of matches the floor. Everywhere where you see it uneven, we're gonna shave down and make it even with the wall.
Looks good though.
Yep.
I'm happy with it.
Yep. Now we just gotta clean up the work area. Oh, and just a tip. Close the friggin' drain if you're working with screws and stuff. Nails. I drive one down the drain. It's the other accent wall.